access to the easy-to-see shallow veins that run on the underside of their tails. Our veterinarians are able to collect a blood sample from these very veins at least once a month during their monthly physical, and the whales are conditioned to remain calm, just as 2R is demonstrating right now. Throughout today's presentation, you'll notice that we'll be giving the whales tail rubs and back massages. Their skin is very sensitive, so this is just one of the many ways that we can build our relationships with the killer whales.
That's right, Casey. Hi folks, I'm down here at the glass with the largest member of our killer whale family, Cayuga. Drawing blood is just one example of how we make sure the whales are staying healthy. Another important diagnostic tool is knowing how much each individual weighs. We weigh the whales once a week by asking them to slide their bodies out onto a killer whale size scale located in one of our adjacent backfills. Cayuga is going to demonstrate for you